together is happiness, learning together is process, and working together is success. With this beautiful quote, I, K. Bharati of grade 8, along with my team, wishes a very auspicious morning to our Honorable Chairman, correspondent, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Let's start our assembly by Tamil Taiwadithu.
எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனே தமிழனே உன் சீரிழமை திறந்து எந்த செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
As you all know, no program can be started without remembering the Almighty. Let's all join your hands and close your eyes to invoke the blessings of our God. Aditya will lead us in prayer.
Dear God, we pray for a bright day to have fun with our lessons and play. We ask our wisdom as we explore and experiment some. We pray for knowledge as we go through each page. We ask to grow strong and wise as we study and play and win every race, and ask our tender care, yes, on our parents, friends, and our caretakers.
Thank you, Aditya. Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is plain, says Albert Einstein. To enlighten our day with some simple science timber, why now comes with some simple science experiment.
Friends, I am Vainav. Today I am going to show an interesting experiment how lime water turns milky. First, take a glass of lime water and blow up its air using a straw. And let's keep this aside until it forms the CO3 formation. And let's move on to the next experiment, a simple acid-base neutralization experiment. Take some vinegar and add in sodium bicarbonate, which is nothing than ENO. It evolves with the acetic acid and neutralized by the base NaHCO3. And let's keep this aside and I'll move to the next experiment. The next experiment is about the types of respiration between two animals, between frog and fish. Fish breathe through their gills, but inside, how will the fish and frog breathe? They get a dissolved oxygen from the water or from the special gills or skin. Frog takes place to the lungs and skins. Frog replaces its lungs at the lungs well as in its skin. While on the land, it uses its lungs, and while on the water, it uses its skin. This is the reason why we don't find fish in septic tanks or ditch where the level of dissolved oxygen is very, very low. Thank you.
Thank you, Vainav, for your wonderful science experiments. அன்பை விதைப்போம், அறம் வளர்ப்போம். Sharing Tennis will tell about the noble gesture of Mrs. Kamalathal.
This 8 years old octogenarian Mrs. Kamalathal, resident of Coimbatore district, one woman breakfast army, yes, of making batter for preparing thousands of fluffy idlis and preparing mouth-watering chutneys and selling them for just 1 rupee each. She did her bit for humanity. Let us also do our part of humanity. Thank you.
வயசாக சுட்டுட்டு இருந்தேன். இப்போ விலைவாசி ஏறுதுனால ஒரு பைக் சொல்கிறேன். மக்கள்லாம் தின்னுட்டு பாராட்டிட்டு போவாங்க. எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்குது குழம்பு சட்னி சாம்பார் எல்லாம் இட்லி நல்லா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு போவாங்க. ஆறும் மக்கள்லாம் செஞ்சுட்டு என்ன.
Thank you, Sharon. We should be aware of the things happening around the world. To keep us up to date, I would like to call Selva Priya from Class 8 for today's news.
News about Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. The nation is all geared up to celebrate Gandhi's 150th birthday on Wednesday. There are very few people in this world who have left long-lasting impression on fellow beings with their ideologies and perspective life that still make an impact. Gandhi also fought against the caste system and was instrumental in abolishing the practice of untouchability. He also preached non-violence and spoke about its insignificance. International news. US President Donald Trump and Melania tested positive for COVID-19 will quarantine. US President Donald Trump on Friday announced that he and his wife Melania have tested for the novel coronavirus. I tested positive for COVID-19. We will begin our quarantine and recovery process immediately. We will get through this together, he said in a tweet. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wished US President quick recovery and good health. National news. Sonia says Prime Minister misses the nation on CAA, NP or NRC. Congress President Sonia Gandhi has said that the Prime Minister and Home Prime Minister has misses nation on the Citizenship Amendment Act and the government has left loose a ring of operations spreading hatred and trying to divide our people along sectarian lines. There is unprecedented turmoil today, she said. Sports news. Young shoulders carry SRH CSK veterans shown up by Rashid Khan and Anwar Divo. Priyam Garg and Abhishek Sharma posted 77 runs in 7 overs to overturn a potential tragedy for Sunrisers Hyderabad, enabling them to recover from a previous 68 by 4 to post a healthier 164 by 5, which Chennai fell short of by 7 runs. Until the 10th over of the first innings, the script flowed perfectly for Chennai Super Kings before Priyam Garg and Rashid Khan rewrote it, despite MS Dhoni's late effort to tinker with the climax. Priyam Garg is 2 months away from his 50th birthday. Abhishek Sharma is just a month into his 21st birth year. Together they posted 77 runs in 7 overs to overturn a potential tragedy for Sunrisers Hyderabad, enabling them to recover from a previous 69 by 4 to post a healthier 164 by 5, with Chennai fell short of by 7 runs.
Thank you, Selva Priya. 6000 மொழிகளில் சிறந்த மொழி செம்மொழி இனிய மொழி என் தாய் தமிழ் மொழியே. இனிய மொழியின் இனிமையான வள்ளுவத்தை கூற வருகிறார் நமது தோழன் கிருத்திக்ஷன்.
உழுதுண்டு வாழ்வாரே வாழ்வார் மற்றெல்லாம் தொழுதுண்டு பின் செல்பவர். குறள் விளக்கம். உழுவு செய்து அதனால் கிடைத்ததை கொண்டு வாழ்கின்றவரே உரிமையோடு வாழ்கின்றவர். மற்றவர் எல்லோரும் பிறரை தொழுது பின் செல்கிறவர்.
பொழுதுண்டு வாழ்வாரே வாழ்வார் மற்றெல்லாம் பொழுதுண்டு பின் செல்பவர்.
Nandri Kritikshan. Watching and listening something new every day makes our life more fantastic and interesting. For today's special program, I would like to call Ralston on the stage.
I am Ralston. Let us look into the simple chromatographic experiment with this video.
Thank you, Ralston, the greatest soul celebrated as Mahatma by all of us and fondly called as Gandhiji. By to follow is our Mahatma Gandhi. To know more about our father of our nation, here comes Harshini and Darshini with mind-blowing presentation.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. My name is Esmigil Darshini. Today I am going to talk about the biography of the great soul. Mahatma Gandhi was born in 1869 to 1948 and later popularly referred to as the Mahatma or Great Soul. Gandhi became a national hero in the Indian struggle to secure the independence of India from the British Empire. His philosophies of truth and non-violent resistance has inspired many political movements since and had their roots in traditional religious beliefs. I am here to justify that Mahatma Gandhi is the great soul. Mr. Glites, the educational inspector, had come to visit on an inspection. He had set Mahatma Gandhi 5 questions to write in a spelling exercise. One of the words was kitten. Mahatma Gandhi had misspelled it. The teacher tried to prompt Mahatma Gandhi with the point of his foot. But Mahatma Gandhi would not be prompted. It was beyond Mahatma Gandhi to see that he want to copy that neighbor's slate. For Mahatma Gandhi think that the teacher was there to supervise against copying. The result was that all the boys except Mahatma Gandhi were found to have split every word correctly.
Thank you, Harshini and Darshini. Now we can share the golden words of our principal, sir.
Good morning and welcome to the second term. We are happy to see you again, and hopefully I believe that you will all utilize the online sessions well. We have a lot of new activities this time. You know, we have started with Zumba, and I was able to see that many of you had participated very enthusiastically in the Zumba dancing. That's a good start for all of you in the morning. As soon as you get up, you can have this dance practice, and then you can come on to the online sessions fresh and energetic to learn as much as you can. Now today I'm going to talk to you about how to develop a scientific temper. The scientific temper is directly related to environment. Let us see to that our TV time becomes more of scientific programs. If you want to develop a good scientific temper, you need to do that. You know about the excellent game of chess. This game of chess, when you start playing, it develops your logical sequence and your strategic skills. Riddles and brain teasers are all-time favorites. That will help you to develop all your scientific temper. Well, scientific temper includes questions, observing, physical activities, hypothesis, analyzing, communicating, logic, facts, but on reliable information. So I would persuade all my students to develop a good scientific temper, and take part in all the scientific activities that we are going to conduct in the second term. Wish you all the best. God bless you. May you take up all the online sessions effectively. May learning happen through the online sessions. God bless you.
A starting always has an end. Now we have also reached to the end of our assembly. So let's end our assembly by national anthem.